Biopharmaceuticals, from cells to therapies. Biopharmaceuticals are therapeutic products made using living cells. For this reason, it is essential that these cells are properly handled throughout the manufacturing process. Examples of biopharmaceutical products include treatments for conditions like cancer, diabetes, and blood disorders. Monoclonal antibodies target specific cancer cells, reducing harm to healthy tissue. Recombinant insulin, used to treat diabetes, is one of the earliest and most widely produced biopharmaceuticals. Factor VIII is used to treat hemophilia, a blood clotting disorder. Biopharmaceutical manufacturing overview. Biopharmaceutical manufacturing typically involves four main stages: upstream processing, downstream processing, fill finish, and packaging and serialization. In upstream processing, genetically engineered cells are grown under carefully controlled conditions to produce the target protein that will become the drug. Downstream processing involves isolating, purifying, concentrating, and formulating the product. In the fill-finish stage, the drug product is filled into sterile containers and sealed and labeled. Sometimes, freeze-drying is also performed at this stage to improve stability. Finally, in packaging and serialization, products are packaged, given unique identifiers, and prepared for distribution.